Honey, I'm gonna ask you a question. How is it like having a Filipino wife?
Different.
It's
Yes.
different in what way?
In every way.
For example.
Culturally, cuisine.
Mm,
Mm, it's a lot of things,
okay.
you know.
Do you like it? I mean, are you happy?
Yes,
Why is it that you're having a second thought answering that?
because sometimes you can be a little crazy.
Because sometimes you're making me
Oh, see,
crazy.
see,
That's
see.
it.
No, you do not think so. I'm perfect.
There's no marriage
Mm,
such as a perfect marriage.
mm,
You're making me crazy sometimes.
When you're married to someone so guapo,
My goodness.
remember, I'm Guapsonian.
Oh, oh my gosh. That's what happened. You married to America. American like this. What? You're going to make your life go upside down.
And there. Mm.
Hmm. But seriously, how can you say? What can you say about me, your wife?
I can say you're beautiful.
Is that a bola?
Hindi. Very maganda.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. As you can see, guys, my husband is full of bola, bolero.
Ah,
Oh.
ay, nako. Mm.
What did you say?
Nothing.
He knows how to say na, hi nako.
Mm.
You're funny.
Mm.
Yeah, my husband is so funny. He makes me he makes me laugh.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes he makes me crazy, makes me cry. And
Hindi.
sometimes
Hindi.
there's no such thing as a perfect marriage.
No.
You have to work on your marriage.
You sure do.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But even though you make me crazy sometimes, I still love
Mm.
you.